Bernoulli trials. In this module, you will learn about Bernoulli trials. Consider an experiment of flipping a fair coin once. There are two possible outcomes of the experiment: heads or tails. Now, consider an experiment of testing a randomly selected circuit. There are only two possible outcomes for this experiment. Either the circuit is defective or it is non-defective. Similarly, if you answer a multiple choice question, it is either right or wrong. Thus, the response to a question has only two outcomes, that is, right or wrong. Now, in the case of tossing a coin, if desired outcome is head, then it is known as success. On the contrary, the occurrence of tail is considered as failure. In an experiment of testing a circuit, if getting a non-defective circuit is considered as a success, then getting a defective circuit is considered as a failure. Similarly, in the case of responding to a question, if right answer is a success, then wrong answer is a failure. Such experiments having only two possible outcomes, named as success or failure, are called Bernoulli trials. Suppose you toss a coin 5 times. Then you say that the number of repeated Bernoulli trials is 5. Thus, the number of repeated Bernoulli trials is always finite. If occurrence of head is considered as a success in each repeated flip of a coin, then probability of success remains half in each trial. This helps us to conclude that the probability of success remains constant in each Bernoulli trial. If the outcome of the first trial is head, then in the next trial you can get either head or tail. Similarly, you can get either head or tail in all the remaining trials. The outcome of one Bernoulli trial does not influence the outcome of the next or any other Bernoulli trial. Thus, it can be concluded that the outcomes of the Bernoulli trials are independent of each other. The discussions done till now help us to conclude that the trials of a random experiment are called Bernoulli trials if the number of trials is finite, the outcomes of the trials are independent, and each trial has exactly two outcomes, success or failure. Moreover, the probability of success remains the same in each trial. In this module, you have learnt that trials of a random experiment are called Bernoulli trials if they satisfy the following conditions. There should be a finite number of trials. The trials should be independent. Each trial has exactly two outcomes: success or failure. The probability of success remains the same in each trial.